So let's continue.
Guys.
So I said in post, to create a new post, you enter your post title and you begin writing your post. It has the arrangement of a normal Microsoft Word, right? You have your paragraph, you have your bold, the way you write, and you can highlight and you bold it, right? You can make it italic and put it as a bullet, as numbers, add it as a code. The same way you would do with your normal Microsoft Word. You can align it anywhere you want. You can align it to the right, to the left, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I will not really go into creating a post now, but when I finish explaining what I want to explain to you, maybe the next thing will be how to create the very first post. Okay. So that is basically that for posts, right? Then there are categories. Categories are how you want your blog or your articles to be categorized. Just like have categories of careers, clinic plus, company news, hotelier club, knowledge base, marketing, uncategorized. So you can create your list of categories that you want to. So to create a category, you just come here and you type your category name, right? Let's say I want to give this category as tutorials, right?
Okay.
Slug is a URL friendly name, but you can skip that to automatically generate it for himself. So do you want this tutorials category to be under a parent category? Let's just say let it be under knowledge base. So if I click on add new,
Sorry, see the. Are you there?
yeah, I'm with you.
So I can see your screen.
Yes.
Oh, why not talk since?
Because I've been confused. Like, sorry.
Oh my god. Are you shouting yes. Hope you can see it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I said after the post, but you understand all I said about posts.
Mm-hmm.
That's where
Yes.
you write your articles. You just let me just go there again. This is your post. These are list. Once you come to post, you see list of all the posts I've made so far, or that this person has made so far. If you want to make your own post, you click on this add new post. When you click it,
Okay.
this place is where you add your post title, the title of what you want to write about, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then this is where you start typing. It has everything that normal MS Word will have.
Yeah.
There's to make it header one, want to make it bold.
Bold. Yeah.
Yeah, so paragraph, want to make it bold, italic, put it as a bullet, a number, add it as a quote. Want to align it to the left or to the right or to the center. So it's already at the center to the right. Right? If you want to add link, if you want to make this as a link, you click this, you add the link you want to link it to. So we'll really come back to all of this later on. This is not what we are doing now. So I just want to show you what the posts um, option is all about, right?
Okay.
So after the add new post, there's another option which is category. If you click on category, it's going to
Yeah.
list out all the categories of that website. not the websites, the how you've categorized your blog or what you want to write
Okay.
about. Yeah, just like a library, the way you categorize and you segment your shelves in the library. So for these very websites, they've categorized their blog or things they write into careers, clinic plus, company news, hotelier, right? So there's this is the one I was trying to use to do explanation for you, but let me delete it. To delete, I'll click it. See this button beside it, this radio button. I'll click it and I'll click on delete and I'll click OK. So it has deleted. So let me see, add it again. I said the name is tutorials. So I said slug is the URL friendly version of the name. So if you want the thing to the name that will appear on the URL, you all know what a URL is.
Yes.
Petra, do you know what URL is?
I think I'm not sure I know.
You don't know, don't think. What do you mean by you think? You don't say you don't know.
Sorry, I don't know.
Which one is you think? Eh?
Okay, I don't know.
Okay, URL is a universal resource locator. It's just your website, your address, right? See this place now.
Yeah.
Everything here is the URL.
Okay.
Right. So if I want to, let's say I'm in category of careers. Trying to get the URL of this. But let's not just go that place. But what it does is, like, let's say the website is networkers.com.ng, right? And /career, right?
Okay.
If I click /career, if I'm choosing the URL as /career, it's going to show me all topics on career.
Okay.
Now let's say the title of the name I gave it was careers, but I don't want the URL to be career. I can just say like networkers career. This is where the slug comes to play.
Okay.
Because naturally the URL to that category will always be what you've given it. But for paraventure, you want the URL to be different from the name of the category. This is where you set it. So now, after this slug, if I want to place this under category of knowledge base, I don't want it to be on its own. I want it to be under a parent category. So I can put this that it should be under parent category of knowledge base. So that if I click knowledge base, I'll still see tutorials on it. So once I'm done, I'll just click. You can add a little description about the page or the category, right? If you like, it's optional. When you're done, you click on save, right? As you can see, it's now appearing.
Tutorials.
Any questions so far?
Okay. Can you hear me?
I'm listening.
Okay, so like was this whole category stuff, or like is it like that necessary, or
It's just to categorize, just like why do you have chefs in library?
okay?
Why do they have chefs in library?
Okay, to like classify each kind of for easy identification, like kind of.
Exactly. Okay, let's go to this website. Let's go to this website's homepage.
Okay.
Let me go to their blog page. Now, this is their blog. So you can see the title, the author of this post, the category is knowledge base, right? And there's
Yeah.
another category. If I click on marketing, I will just see all the posts that is relating to marketing.
Okay.
So you see, these are all the posts relating to marketing.
Marketing. Yeah.
If I choose a category of, let's say, career, you see all the maybe the job posts that the company has made. It's just for organization.
Yeah.
David, how about you? Are you clear with it? Hello, David.
Hello, sir. I had network issues.
No problem. Hope you don't have any question.
No, I'm good, sir.
Okay. Then the next is tags. Tags is just like what you want search engines to use to identify what that particular post is all about, right? Or how you still want to segment more of your topic. For example, now under marketing, right? Under marketing can have a tag of marketing can have different kind of, you can have like business marketing, self marketing, all of that. Rather than creating multiple categories, you can use tags.
Okay.
So search engine can use this tag to identify what that thing is all about. Just like hashtags, hashtags now, Instagram and
Yeah.
what's the name? Twitter, that's okay, the top as banned. So it's just it's search engine friendly, and it also helps you in organizing your content. So aside tags, landing pages, you don't need this. You won't find this in other this. This is just for this website. But you find media. Media is where you upload items to your WordPress site. So if you want to upload image and documents, right? You upload them in this media. So it's when you've uploaded them, because for you to use an item, for you to use an image on your WordPress blog or whatever, you have to first upload it. So when you've uploaded them, you can now select them. So to upload, you just click on this add. Like I told you, we are not really coming to how to do all of this. And this is a basic overview. Maybe in another class we'll dive into them properly. So these are the items that have been uploaded on this site. They are much, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So that is the media. The library is just a list of everything. Then admin is to add an item or a document to the library. So the next is pages, right?
Okay.
So pages is somehow similar to blog, but there's a couple of difference between a blog and a page. Right? If you see a blog will tell you the person that posted it. I mean, the person that made that blog is going to tell you the category, and it will even tell you the time that it was posted. Right?
Okay.
Hello.
I'm here.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah, see the dates that this one was posted. It was posted on the 6th last month, 21st of June, right? And this is the person that posted it. This is the category. So this is for posts. I mean for posts. Why for page? The page does not have all this. Let me open this page, for example. So I've opened this page. It does not have anything about who posted it, the time it was posted, right?
Mm.
So it's just a static something. So you can't change anything about it. So that is basically the difference between a post and a post and a post and what and a page. Hope you guys grab the difference.
Yes, sir.
Perpetual.
Yes.
A page is static. Why a post? Timely.
Yeah. Well, not that you can also make a post dynamic in the sense that you can update what is there, but
Yes, yes.
the purpose of a page is something that you wouldn't want to change often. For example, contact page on your website. It's not something that you want to be changing often.
From time to time. Yes, sir.
Yeah, about us. All these things are things that are always static. They don't change often, and there's no point showing who wrote it or time they wrote it. All those informations are not necessary. But on a blog, it will contain all those information. Who wrote it, at what time they did it, the topic, the category, and all of that. So, are we clear about that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, next is comments, right? Your comments that people make on your website will appear here, right? So you can set it that the comments should automatically appear, or you should moderate it that you have to first see the comment before you allow it to be on your. But most times, I don't know, I turn off comments because most times all what you'll be getting is spam. People will just be directing you to their website, and all these Indian scammers,
Oh.
they want to they market their stuff with funny ways. They want you to click their link and all of that. So that is what you always get. Normal people usually don't even comment on posts. Most times they are usually robots. So you can see here there are 20 comments. Mine is 0. Pending is 16. Approved with 4. Which one did I approve? Let me see. Okay. I think I approved this one. Okay, I can remember this one, but this one I don't think I approved this one. I will spam this one. So to spam this one now, to spam a comment means that we are telling WordPress that if such person should comment on your stuff, shouldn't you just take it to spam, right? That you all know what spam is now. You're just instructing WordPress to know that this comment is a spam, not from real human. So I'll click on spam, let them go to spam. If I want to trash anyone, I'll just click on trash. Trash just goes to the trash folder, right? So inside this trash folder, it's going to stay for a period of time. Then it's going to wipe off. It's not that when you send something to trash, it's not going to just wipe off immediately, just like a recycle bin.
Yeah.
So that is for comments. And then appearance, this is where you set all of the appearance of your WordPress sites. I'm not coming to this place anyway. This one is when if you are interested in learning WordPress very well, how to build a website with WordPress, you come to all of this things. But for now, it's just how to manage a WordPress website, how to make blog posts, how to make blog posts, and how to maintain blog posts on a website. So that's what we are learning. Then all of this, both themes, customized widget menus, you don't need all of these things. That's no. And let me just quickly tell you one thing again that you should know is there's plugin in WordPress. What plugin means in WordPress? Plugin is just like the way you install apps on your phone, right? You know, apps does a particular kind of job on your phone, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then in WordPress, we have plugins. So plugins does a particular kind of job. Plugin does a particular kind of job to your WordPress website. So some plugins is to collect form. Some plugin is to optimize your search engine. Some plugin is to compress your image. There are a lot of plugins. So you install plugins to your WordPress website. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is basically it. So to get started, I will just add you guys as a user in this WordPress, right? What you can be able to do is just to publish content, write content, and publish. But meanwhile, as I'm adding people, when you write content, don't publish. Oh, let me show you.
Okay.
When you come to post, you will see add new content. You write your contents. You put your contents title. Contents title. That might be contents title here, right? Then you begin to write. Then this is where you select your category. Let's say you can select multiple categories. I can say let it be in career, let it be in company news, right? So you see that knowledge base that I told you about. So you see this tutorial is now under this under it. So I can select for it to be in the two. I can just choose one. So now, like I told you, I said you shouldn't publish. So what you do after writing whatever you want to write, you click on save draft.
Okay.
You click on save drafts. Don't publish it, because if you publish it, it's going to be live directly. So click on save draft. If I'm convinced, or whoever you are working with is convinced with what you write, they will be able to publish it. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is where you add tags. So you can add as many tags as you like. You write and you click add. You write and you click add, right? Then there's feature image, right? See this blog post. This is a feature image. This image that is here. You can't just, you have to put a captivating picture or a captivating graphics.
Yeah.
That is going to make it. Don't just start writing blah blah blah. So this graphics that is here is called feature image, right? So to set feature image, you click here. So I told you about media. These are all the things I have that has been uploaded. I can choose any of them, right? If I want to upload another one, I'll click on upload files, and I will browse through my computer, or I will drag something and drop here. Let's say let's say this one now. How to increase patient visit. I can just drag this and put it here. It's uploading, right? Are you guys seeing this?
Yes, sir.
So it's uploading. Let's wait for a while. So it has uploaded. So I can once it has uploaded, I can edit attributes of the picture, such as the alt text. Do you all know what an alt text is, or alternative text?
No.
Do you know what it means, David? Hello, David.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, alt text is used for search engine optimization. Like, what it does is that if for any reason your image was unable to display, right? Rather than it being blank, it will just give it the image will just show that name, the name that you put here.
Okay.
Let's say the network becomes too bad that it did not load the image very well. Rather than this place becomes blank, right? To just give it, let's say, secrets big brands use to stay in business, feature image. Let's say that is the name I gave it. That is what will just appear here.
Okay.
Then that is one. Then two, another thing it does is that it tells search engines like Google what the post is all about. For example, if you are writing about 10 times increase in patient visits, right? If you put this alt text here, it's going to make search engine understand what this image is all about. You notice in Google, when you search in Google, you can search for images. Hello? Yeah, you can search for images. Let's say doctor. If I search for doctor on Google, right, it gives me. But if I come to images, it's going to give me images of doctor. How did Google know that this is doctor? He knows that because somebody has put in the alt text that this is doctor.
Okay.
You understand? So whatever is your image, always give it as your alt text so that it's going to help search engine better understand what your writing is all about and what your post is all about. And it's going to help you rank higher. Then all this is the image title. Also, you should also make sure that the title correlates to what the image is all about. It's not that the image is doctor and you now put title nurse. You're confusing the whole thing. So you use the image to use we give it a title that is corresponding to what the image is all about. All these things are search engine optimization. When we get to search engine optimization, these are some of the ways you use in ranking higher or making search engine rank your website higher than others. So caption is if you want to caption the thing and like a man, a doctor thinking or a doctor consulting a patient, right? So the caption can be doctor consulting patient. You can put that. You can put the description. In this picture, doctors tries to consult all those kind of things. But those are not necessary. The most important thing is this alt text and this title. If you have time, you can put all this. If you don't have time, forget about it. Once you are done, you click on set image. So if I click publish now, it's going to publish it live. Right? If I go to the website, I will see it live that that's published. But if I put it as draft, this save as that's save draft. Right?
Teacher. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is basically it. So that is all about creating how to create posts. So the next thing is practice makes perfect. So for you to really understand the whole thing, you have to practice, and you get used to the whole thing, how everything works, and you start correcting yourself. So any question before I end today's class? Any questions so far?
No, I'm good, sir.
Not really.
So if I give you topics to do tomorrow, you guys can know how to log in and upload the stuff yourself.
Yes, sir.
I'll
How
try.
All right, no wala. So that's it. I will send you guys the video of today's tutorial later on.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Good night, all of you.
Good night,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Yeah.